Hello, I'm CG Yan. This is a quick video to show how to increase text size in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can find text. Click it and then go to add a text box. Next, we can type to change the text. For example, I change it to increase text size. Next, we can increase the size by click and drag the corner, and I press Alt to increase it. Alternative, we can go to top option bar. We can decrease the font size, or we can increase the font size here. Or we can choose a size here. For example, I choose 120. Or we can type the value. For example, I type it in 200. So sometimes we have two rows. If you want to keep it in one line, we can adjust the text box here. So we can reduce. So this is how we can increase text size in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yan. See you in the next video.